Today is my second day using Windsurf once again. This is the Windsurf second day I'm using. This is the Windsurf apps. Click here and this is the Windsurf apps, and here we go. And this is the directory, and this is something like the code, or here is the interaction part. So today is my second day. I'm building an app called eBook Bliss, and it is an ebook downloader and ebook search engine. Now here I will run the GUI code. So run GUI, then here echo, that is enter. So here it is running. So here I have to accept this one. So here when I click accept, it will pop up this is the GUI part of maximize. This is the GUI part of eBook Bliss first search, and this is the GUI, the apps which I built using Windsurf. And I haven't complete. I'm on my second day. I will just do the programming for as around 15 to 13 minutes. Here for example, here you can search for author, here author, then here Dan Brown. Type Dan Brown, BROW and Brown. Then from there, here click on the search button. Here search button, here the screen display. Here in the screen it displays Google search. I don't have any backend database, so I just link with the Google search engine. So here Dan Brown, I can select here one. Here then it will be pop up here. The download link will be set here, focus here in the text box. Okay, here you click one, here you click this one. So here HTTP. So here you click download selected link. Here you click download selected link, this one here. Then here Dan Brown crash is here. Dan Brown crash is here. Here the Dan Brown crash, the nice formula. Here if I click using title also I can do it. Here let me close this one once again. And try it here. Here let me choose here. Wait, here let me choose title. Here the title, just delete this one, and title Alice in Wonderland, WONDERLAND, Alice in Wonderland. So here I click search. So here it's display Alice in Wonderland. So when I click here, let me download this one, this ebook. Okay, PDF format. So here I click this one. When I click here, the link is displayed here. Then in the apps here you click the download selected link. When I click download selected link, here it's loading and here it's loading. So Alice in Wonderland, this ebook is ready for reading now. Alice in Wonderland, you can read here. You can read this one. I am done. That's great for today. Music tuni music programming kai non jaka programming chela ye apps ka bola bai ka sun sum jaka ye ebook share the ebook bliss apps bliss ebook apps why developing ye windsurf test na kai engine ye why apps develop team mama de le as test tom chik nei first test tum pan ai zo nai lo all la hi do di kai chikon gen hi thanks.